Hello guys, today we're doing a review on this Amazon replacement, the dual precision replacement blades for the Philips Norellco shaver. There you go, we got it on focus. So we've already disassembled this. One thing that I noticed on this review is if you look, this is the original Norellco, okay, and this is the aftermarket one. If you notice, they have a different shape. Okay, they have a different shape. So what we've done is actually the only thing that really wears out is the blade, anyways. So I'm gonna retain the case and just replace the blade. And as you can see with all the mess, we've already made some mess here, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace this with the new one and see right there. See if it works. All right. Again, we bought this in Amazon. Let's see if I can try to figure this out. Okay, I think it goes like that. Push, and there it is. All right. The moment of truth. All right, we're gonna put that on. All right, I'll shave a little part of my arm. Voila! All right, it works. You can see right there, shaved it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to replace one of them with the case that it came with. Let's see how that works. Put that on there. I don't even know if this is gonna work, guys. Yep, nope. I don't think it's gonna work because the shape, it's got that little two spikes right there, and I don't see. Oh, hang on. Maybe if I go like, whoa, wait a second. Hang on, stay right there. Alright, so maybe it does work. Hang on. Oh, okay. I feel you. It's got a certain angle that you gotta do it. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Let me try that again. That on? Oh, okay. I guess it does work. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna give this a, for now, just from the initial performance of it, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. It does fit. You just gotta make sure that it goes in the right way. But this is the review of the aftermarket replacement. It's called the P-Bladez TM replacement. That is the part number right there if you guys want to look at that. And I guess it works for a bunch of other razors or shavers. This is for the Norellco Philips shaver. And this is the part number if you guys are interested in knowing this. Alright guys, again, please like, subscribe. We out!